Canna lilies, tropical beauties that captivate with their flamboyant flowers and lush foliage. Yet, caring for them is simpler than you might think. First, choose a sunny spot. These plants love the sun. Too little light can result in fewer flowers, and we don't want that, do we? Next, ensure they have rich, well-draining soil. A healthy mix of compost and garden soil works wonders. Remember, soggy soil is a big no-no. It can cause root rot, a real party pooper for your canna lilies. Watering is key too. During their growing season, keep the soil moist. But come winter, reduce watering to a minimum, just enough to prevent the soil from completely drying out. Lastly, don't forget to feed your canna lilies. A slow-release fertilizer applied in the spring will keep them happy and blooming beautifully. That's it, caring for canna lilies in a nutshell. Keep these tips in mind, and your garden will be a tropical paradise in no time.